Hey Kevin, Eddie Multi-Man Services. Just got done with the window cleaning. Hope you enjoyed the before and after photos throughout the job that while we were here. Everything went really good. The deck back here is a complete transformation, so you're going to be happy with that. So the underside of here came out really clean, really nice. No more green. It's all nice and clean and light, airy, nothing scary, staring at you anymore. We got the jacuzzi washed down, all the stairs. I had some extra detergent that I cleaned the up above with, and I went halfway down to where those lights are right there. I think this is a newer set of concrete, so I ran out of detergent just about there. Everything went well. Windows tracks were filthy. Got all those cleaned up really well. All the doors are locked. You're set to go. Any questions you have, so give me a call. We'll take care of it right away. But I think you're set to go for the summer. What else? I wanted to say one more thing. Can't think about it. So, did a little bit of a detergent cleaning on this driveway here. No extra cost there. So, hope you enjoy your summer. Thanks. Any questions, call my cell, 815-520-6020. Take care.